PCGiT is New England's premier managed IT services and security provider. We offer a full range of technical and security services to help your company optimize its technology and IT investments while understanding your industry and any compliance requirements. Founded in 1996, we've had significant growth year after year since inception, thanks to our clients who love our value, flexibility, and attention to detail that we deliver. Our vision and mission drive our culture, and our employees stick around. In fact, our average employee tenure is best in class for the IT industry. Our staff is seasoned, and we're one of only the few managed security providers that has 2 CISSPs on staff, which are Certified Information Systems Security Professionals. That expertise and acumen help your business stay current with best practices and policies that mitigate the risk of a potential phishing scam or ransom attack. All our clients get a dedicated lead engineer and client success manager who drives consistent results and standards for an improved user experience. Our technology stack and cybersecurity and service delivery platforms are all industry leaders in names you know and trust. These are constantly being evaluated to give your business everything it needs to protect your data, employees, and company reputation. Don't let IT keep you up at night. Call or email us to learn how PCG can help your company.